Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice algebra equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, you can label this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. And from equation 1, we make y the subject. Take x to the other side. That is where y equals to 10 minus x. Then also from equation 2, which is x times y equals to 10. We substitute the value of y here. That is, this becomes x times 10 minus x equals to 10 here. That is, next step here, x open these brackets and we have 10x minus x squared equals to 10 here. And when we rearrange on this side, this becomes minus x squared plus 10x. And we take 10 here, become minus 10, then equals to 0 here. That is here, multiplied through by minus 1, and this becomes plus x squared minus 10x plus 10, then equals to 0 here. Here we have a quadratic equation where a equals to 1, b equals to minus 10, and c equals to 10. Then here, applying the quadratic formula, which is x equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Then here we have x equals to minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10 all over 2 times 1. Then here we have x equals to minus times minus, that's plus, that's 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square, we have 100 minus 4 times 1 times 10, that's 40 over 2 here. That is, next step we have x equals to 10 plus or minus root 100 minus 40, the same thing as root 60 all over 2 here. It is here we can express 60 as 4 times 15. Then all we have here becomes x equals to 10 plus or minus square root of 4 times 15 all over 2 here. This also follows when we have root a times b, which can be written as root a times root b. That is, all we have becomes x equals to 10 plus or minus root 4 times root 15 all over 2. That is, here we have x equals to 10 plus or minus root 4, that's 2, and we have root 15 all over 2 here. That is, here 2 is common, we have x equals to 2 into brackets, 5 left here, then plus or minus root 15 here all over 2. That is, here 2 cancelled each other. This becomes x equals to 5 plus or minus root 15 here. That is, here we have two values of x. The first one, x1 equals to 5 plus root 15, and we have x2 equals to 5 minus root 15. Then, to calculate the value of y from the relation, which is y equals to 10 minus x, then here we have y1 then equals to 10 minus x1, which is 5 plus root 15. That is, minus, open this bracket, we have y1 equals to 10 minus 5 then minus root 15. That is, here we have y1 equals to 10 minus 5, that's 5, then minus root 15 here. That is, here we have x1, y1. When we write it out, we have x1, y1, the same thing as 5 plus root 15, comma 5 minus root 15. Then also to calculate the value of y2 here, we use the same relation, and we have y2 equals to 10 minus x2, which is 5 minus root 15. This minus open this bracket, we have y2 equals to 10 minus 5 and plus root 15. And this becomes y2 equals to 10 minus 5, 5 plus root 15. Also, we have x2, y2 here. When we write it out as well, we have x2, comma y2. This is the same thing as 5 minus root 15, comma 5 plus root 15. Now this, when we consider this, the value of x here is the value of y here, the value of y here is the value of x here. So now we can check if this solution satisfies this given problem. Using any of the given solution from equation 1, we have x plus y equals to 10. When we substitute here, x plus y equals to 10. Here we have x, that's 5 plus root 15 plus y, which is 5 minus root 15. This is equals to 10 on this side. Then here, root 15 minus root 15, this cancel each other. We are left with 5 plus 5. Is it equals to 10 on this side? Then 5 plus 5 here, that's 10, equals to 10 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, these two solutions here satisfy the first equation. Also, for the second equation, which is x times y equals to 10, when we substitute as well, we have x times y equals to 10. Also, we can use the first set of solution, x, which is 5 plus root 15, times y, which is 5 minus root 15, is it equals to 10 on this side. Then this follows when we have a plus b into brackets, open bracket, also a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. This here, this can be written as 5 square minus root 15 square. This is equals to 10 on this side. Then 5 square here, that's 25 minus here square cancel square, we have 15. Is it equals to 10 on this side? 25 minus 15, of course, that's 10. This is equals to 10 here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that these two solutions also satisfy the second equation here. And thank you for watching. Don't forget the steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn on notification bell. Share this video with thumbs up and put your comment. See you next class, and bye for now.